Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll start by confirming your Samsung TV model and that it runs a supported Tizen OS. You need an active YouTube TV account and stable Wi-Fi. Get your email and password ready. Once done, make sure the TV firmware is updated so the app can install. If the model is older, check for Smart Hub updates before moving on. This prevents wasted time and avoids compatibility issues down the line, so proceed now to the app installation steps. You open Smart Hub, then navigate to Apps and use the search box to type YouTube TV. Select the official app, press Install, and accept any permission prompts. If the app doesn't appear, use the categories filter or sort by popular to locate it. Once installed, sign in using your YouTube TV account. Follow the on-screen pairing code or email sign in Flow. Make sure your TV stays on the same Wi-Fi network as your phone when now sign in using the on-screen code or type your credentials directly. You'll see accounts sync within moments. Play a live channel and test picture and audio to confirm playback and quality. If you hit issues, restart the TV, uninstall and reinstall YouTube TV, and verify Wi-Fi signal strength and router reboot. If playback stutters, check for VPNs or DNS settings. One key troubleshooting tip: try a wired Ethernet connection to rule out wireless instability quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.